everyone. Now you're watching Zeal News. I am Renu Patil, your host with September bulletins from Zeal Junior College, Sangli. So let's move on towards the headlines. Zeal tabulates Teachers' Day celebration. Zeal Grandmasters fetch laurels at Inter-School Chess Tournament. Zeal Torso Twister reaches pinnacle of success. Zeal Basketeer clinches zenith of success at Inter-School Basketball Tournament. Zeal Athlete bring dual laurels at Inter-School Athletic events. Teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and important members of the society because their efforts affect the fate of the earth. Like every year, Zeal Junior College celebrated Teachers' Day on September 5th with great fervor and zeal. The event was organized to acknowledge the dedication and hard work of the teachers. It was held in the ground floor at basketball court, beautifully decorated with flowers, balloons and festoons. The event commenced at 1:30 p.m. with the lighting of lamp and garlanding of the portrait of great educationist and philosopher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The principal Mrs. Meghali Nargatse ma'am, director Mr. Sanjay Mahadik sir, science coordinator Dr. Alvin Singh sir and the commerce coordinator Mrs. Neha Sada ma'am and admin officer Mr. Abhay Bilawde sir gave a speech on Dr. Radhakrishnan and the role of teachers in shaping society. The student council members congratulated the teachers and motivated the students to become a good student and good teacher. Students expressed their gratitude, regard and respect towards their teacher on that day. They presented various cultural activities, speeches, poems and dance and songs to express their feelings. The activities of the students were appreciated by all the teachers. The event was concluded with a formal vote of thanks. Every chess master was once a beginner. Maharashtra Directorate of Sports and Youth Services Pune hosted the inter-school competition to provide a platform to its students to improve their logical thinking, analytical reasoning and problem solving. Young budding students from grades 11th and 12th participated in the inter-school chess competition on the 11th September 2023. As the day of the chess tournament approached, two highly enthusiastic students were all geared up to beat their opponents in nail-biting matches. Each group played 3 rounds. Our college students like Master Samarth Kulkarni and Srinivas Sinde bagged first and fourth positions respectively under 19 categories. The participants followed the FIDE Swiss rule rapid rules which were judged by the chief arbiter of the district. It was indeed quite heartwarming to see the children playing their moves like stalwarts and rapt competition and collected demeanor. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to task at hand. The Greco-Roman Tahsil level wrestling event was organized at Sangli on 15 September 2023. Hence, the Zeal wrestler was competing at inter-school level. The Wrestling Foundation of India (WFI) conducts trials in September. Although the main purpose of trials was to select the squad for the world meet. Our Zeal mat performer, Master Prathamesh Manik Pawar, under 50 to 60 kg category bagged first position and selected for the district levels. Confidence is everything in this game. If you don't think you can, you won't. Sangli District Sports Council and Zeal International School and Junior College Sangli tabulated basketball tournament on 21st September 2023. Students belonging to all Sangli District School and Junior College participated and each team has to compete with each other. And this brought out the competitive spirit in all the basketeers. There were a lot of spectators cheering on their team since it was exciting to watch the friends play and compete against each other. The stadium was noisy but fantastic. The atmosphere was electric with the cheers of the students and the enthusiasm of the participants. The school management had organized the tournament and participants were duly briefed about the rules of the game. Zeal Basketeer under 19 girls team bagged first position and boys team bagged second position. We witnessed good sportsmanship by all the players, which was the best part of the evening. We finally came to the most anticipated part of the day, which was the announcement of the results. The games were exhilarating and everybody thoroughly enjoyed themselves. This is what we learn at ZEALS, which is participating is more important than winning or losing, and the spirit of true sportsmanship. Congratulations to all for a brilliant game and good team spirit. An athlete cannot run with money in his pockets. He must run with hope in his heart and dreams in his head. The Tahsil level school sports competition organized at Sangli, ZEAL athlete Ms. Siddhi Bamne under 17 bagged first position in javelin throw and 110 meters hurdle, as well as Master Pratik Gutugade under 17 bagged first position in high jump competition. Our students tried to expand their horizon into the sports arena. We are glad that our students had prepared to participate in the inter-school sports competition held at various places and have proved as never giving up team with a fighting spirit ignited within themselves. This attitude has paved way to the beginning of the success story. So ZEAL created such passionate students a fabulous platform to set benchmark to the followers. JEE, NEET, CET is their ultimate aim. Our students studied day and night by restlessly to be written the golden history with the flying colors by setting AIR rank at top level. As we know, in September month, ZEAL conducted subjective, objective and grand tests, so it's time to declare the result. From grade 11 PCM, Master Sharvir Pawar secured first rank respectively in all category tests. From 11th PCB, Master Sharvan Pawar secured first rank respectively in all category tests. From grade 12th PCM, Master Shubham Naik secured first rank respectively in all category tests. From grade 12th PCB, Ms. Aziza Sheikh secured first rank respectively in all category tests. So, this is all from the month of September. We will see you soon. Until then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you very much.